Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very unique curry recipe that's made using shallots or small onions. It tastes amazing with a little tangy sweet flavor and it goes very well with rice, roti, chapatti or a naan. It's completely different. I'm very sure that you'll love it. Let's look at the ingredients. To make this curry, here I have taken some white shallots, about 15 to 20 of them, and they are very small, as the size of a small lemon. Also, I'm using one medium onion finely chopped. In the spices, I'm using 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Some salt to taste. For the tangy flavor in our curry, I am using tamarind and I have soaked about a big lemon-sized tamarind in water. Ginger, garlic and coriander paste. 3 teaspoons of jaggery or good. 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds or til. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds or jeera. And 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds. First, we are going to take a small pan and dry roast the cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and the white sesame seeds. We are going to dry roast these on a medium-high flame. So keep stirring in between continuously, and within few minutes you'll notice the change in color. And also a nice aroma will start to come from the coriander, sesame and cumin seeds. Now they are pretty much done. You can go ahead and switch off the flame and take them out in a plate. In a wide pan, add about 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil. And once the oil is hot, first we are going to drop the chopped onions. Saute them well. The flame is on medium. To speed up the process of frying the onions, here I have added some salt. Just give it a quick toss. Fry the onions for a minute or so. Now they're well done. Let's add the ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Mix it well. Fry it for about a minute or two until the raw flavors from ginger, garlic and coriander go away. While it fries, we are going to grind the roasted ingredients to a fine powder. Here are the cleaned shallots. I have removed the covers and washed them nicely and also taken off the top and bottom of each of them. Add them to the fried onions. Mix it well with the ginger, garlic, coriander paste, and now we are going to cover and cook it on a medium-low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open and check. Notice that the mixture and the shallots have become nice golden brown. So just scrape it from the bottom, and now we'll add the ground powder and also add the spices. Turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala powder and some curry powder. Also add some salt. Mix it really well for few seconds. So just making sure all the spices, salt is nicely coated with the shallots. Now add the tamarind pulp and some jaggery. Now we are going to add a cup of water. Give it a really good mix. All the spices, tamarind, jaggery will come together really well. Cover and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium-low flame. It's been cooking for 10 minutes. Let's open and check. The curry has thinned down quite a bit and the shallots have also become nice and soft. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and switch off the flame. The tangy sweet flavor along with the small onions is absolutely delicious. If you're looking for some unique different recipe, then this one is definitely worth a try. This curry goes really well with hot rice, chapatti, roti or a puri. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.